Hello students, last lecture discussed the topic asexual reproduction in multicellular organism. Asexual reproduction in multicellular organism. Firstly discuss the topic fragmentation, then regeneration, then third type is the budding, then fourth type is asexual reproduction in multicellular organism is vegetative propagation. What is meant by vegetative propagation? Vegetative propagation means the propagation vegetative propagation occur in plants. That vegetative propagation occur in plants like as the roots, means plant parts like as the root, stem, leaves and buds. That type of parts they grow or reproduce a new plant's body. That parts and that type it is called as a vegetative propagation. In a vegetative propagation in surrounding or in nature, the variety of plants they grow in nature with the help of plant parts. Like as example, sugarcane, they grow with the help of by the parts of that eyes. Then potatoes they grow with the help of eyes are present on the tuber. Then sugarcane, grasses, their propagation with the help of by birds. Plants like carrot, then radish perform the vegetative propagation with the help of roots. Means the growing a roots, the parts of roots to grow by carrot and radish. This type of plants also, which type of propagation occur? The type of propagation is called as vegetative propagation. Simple way, what is meant by vegetative propagation? The vegetative propagation means the plants the grow or the plants reproduce or propagation can occur with the help of plant parts like as root, stem, leaves. This type of propagation it is called as the vegetative propagation or vegetative reproduction. What is meant by vegetative propagation? The reproduction in plants with the help of plant's parts like as root, stem, leaf and bud. It is called as vegetative propagation. The vegetative propagation can occur in different plants, different propagation can occur. The vegetative propagation in potatoes is performed with the help of eyes. Means that potatoes on the surface present a like as eyes and that present on tuber, whereas this is the bryophyllum. It is performed with the help of buds present on leaf margin. Means that group of family, it is the biophyllum is the family, and that type of group of plants the buds are present on the surface present on the leaf margin. Then in case of plants like sugarcane and grasses, vegetative propagation occur with the help of buds present on the nodes. Means like as sugarcane that present a nodes and that nodes present a buds and they are put in soil. That time that buds or nodes grow the leaves. It is the type of propagation. It is they are grow grasses and sugarcane from the buds. Then another type of plants like carrot and radish perform a which type of propagation? It is the vegetative propagation and with the help of roots. Means all these plants are grow from different plant parts and that is called as vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation means the plants are grow from the different parts like as root, stem, leaves and buds. It is called as vegetative propagation. Now another type of reproduction in multicellular organism are spore formation. The spore formation occur in which type of group of the family? It is like as a fungus, like as the fungus. In fungus which type of propagation or which type of reproduction occur? It is the spore formation. What is mean by spore formation? Take a piece of wheat bread or bhakri and keep it in a humid place. A fungus will grow on it and within 2 to 3 days and observe the fungus under compound microscope. And that microscope and draw its diagram, and it is the dry catch diagram. It is the one, the bread of piece, and this on bread of piece they found a whitish type of color of some spots are there, and that spots, it is the, that spots name is a type of fungus, and that fungus are grow in nature by with the help of spore formation. And that spore formation means that substratum they are attached to directly on that food material like as the piece of bread, and to form a hyphae, and that hyphae at the top a present or to form a sporangia, and it is the in that sporangia a number of cells, a number of spores means number of cells they are growing that sporangium. And that time during a favorable condition or moist humid place are in surrounding, so that time that sporangium can burst, and burst the sporangium and number of spores they are released in nature, and this type of reproduction it is called as spore formation. And spore formation occur in mucor. In mucor, or can say that it is a type of fungus. Now the fungi like mucor also that spore formation like as a group of fungus, the name of that fungus it is called as the mucor. Ask in examination, draw the diagram of mucor. That mucor also, and also name, another name is spore formation. And fungi like mucor have a filamentous. Filamentous means it is like as the thread like body. It is filamentous body. They have sporangia. Once the spore are formed, means that like as the filamentous, and that filamentous parts like as that hyphae, and that hyphae at the top to form a firstly sporangia, and form the during the favorable condition, and in surrounding sporangia burst, means during favorable condition are in environment or in surrounding, so that time that sporangia can get burst. That burst the sporangia and burst the sporangia, and number of spores are released, and that time that spores means a number of minute cells are there, and in each cells it is also called as it is the fungus. It is the fungus. Now, and spore germinate in moist and a warm place, and new fungal colony is formed, and in the nature humid moist condition are there, and that time that fungi it is heterotrophic in nature, heterotrophic in nutrition. They grow on leaves or green plants like as leaves a present chlorophyll and ready food material that fungi can get, and that time number of spores are formed and number of sporangia are formed, and that sporangia and new number of spores are released in nature, and new fungal colony are formed in surrounding. So the asexual reproduction in multicellular organism are completed here. So first type of multicellular asexual reproduction in multicellular, it is the first type is like as fragmentation. Fragmentation can occur in Spirogyra. Then second type is regeneration. Regeneration can occur in Planaria or starfish. Then third type is budding. Budding can occur in type of Hydra. Budding can occur in type of animal. It is the Hydra. Then next four types is the vegetative propagation. The vegetative propagation can occur in plants, and that plants are grow or in nature by the different like as the plant parts, root, stem, leaves, and birds, they can grow the new plant body. So it is called as, that type is, it is called as the vegetative propagation. And last type, it is the spore formation, and spore formation can occur, it is the type of fungus, and that fungus also another name is the mucor, and that mucor are reproduced in nature, like as they will grow on the parts like as the bread, bhakri, and that firstly that fungus firstly they grow a strand or rhizoids, they dip inside the bread or bhakri, so that time that ready material can get up and to form a hyphae, and that hyphae to form a sporangia, and that sporangia a number of minute cells they can grow, and during the fulfilled condition in the nature, in the environment, so that time that sporangia can burst, and burst this sporangia and release amount of fungus or spores in nature. And during the humid and moist place in nature, so new fungal colony will be is formed in the surrounding. And we will complete all the topics asexual reproduction in multicellular organism.